Hi, I'm back again. Okay, I went through a whole freaking hiatus because I was thinking that I took out my makeup and it's kind of like smudged. That's why my under eyes look really dark right now. But anyways, I was thinking of a whole plan. Like I was overthinking, like what should I do? What should I blah 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 blah? Because I feel like I don't do anything. But I'm using my tarot cards right now, and I feel like I'm just gonna be myself. So I feel like I always go through this shit every freaking video. I'm so annoyed of it. But anyways, I'm back. I'll just talk about my day. I went to work and it was a good day. The weather is getting better. Oh my gosh, October 25th, I'm going to this like special event thing for Halloween, and I'm so excited because I'm going with my best friend, and I love Halloween. I love fall. So I want to do like more fall activities, and I want to go to the pumpkin patch. Maybe I can record that stuff actually like vlog. Yes, I could do that stuff. And then I might go to Monterey over the weekend so I can record that. But I just wanted to do like a little night vlog. I'm drinking tea, the sleepy time melatonin tea. Wait, yeah. I thought I said melanin because I always confuse that. I think my cousin confuses that too, so I was like, wait, let me make sure I said the right thing. But I'm drinking that tea because I woke up kind of late today. I woke up at 8 and then my lazy ass went back to sleep, so then I woke up at 11. So I went and grabbed the tea, and I'm drinking that right now so that way I can be sleepy kind of like early on because it's almost midnight and I want to go to sleep before 1. So let's see if that helps. I don't really drink it often. I don't want to depend on it. So last time I drank this was probably like a month ago, or two months even. It's been a while. So I'm just drinking that right now. But things that I want to put on shelves, I get rid of my dresser because I'm gonna start streaming games. I feel like I'm saying so much, but I'm gonna I have my Switch, but I want to stream it, but it's like I can't just stream. Well, I can, but I need like, I think it's called a capture card. I hope I'm saying that right because I'm gonna feel dumb if I'm not. But I think it's called that. And then I want to buy a PC, and I want to stream my PC, and I want to play Red Dead because I never played it. I mean, I like know what it's about and everything because I've seen my brother play, but I want to start it. So I want to do like that journey, and then I want to do Resident Evil, and then I want to do Apex, and then I want to do my Mario games. But I want to like start a whole bunch of games I've never played on my stream, so I feel like that'd be really cool. But I think I'll talk more tomorrow. Oh, sorry, that's my bed. But yeah, I'm redecorating my room because I wanna just make it like good to stream in. Oh, sorry, my head hurts. Oh, I got my nails done. They have little pink hearts, and they look black. Or they're black. They look black. They are black on the French tip. But yeah. Okay. I think that's everything, but I'll talk more to you in the morning because I'm gonna wake up early to finish cleaning this. And sorry I took forever to come back. Oh my god, my eyebrows, I need to get undone. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna leave this and then I'll record more in the morning. Okay, it's a freaking mess right now, but these are my shelves. Oh my god, the wall is so dirty. Okay, and then there's like nails and scratches everywhere, so I need to clean that. But I put them up right now. I used to have a big dresser in here, a big gray one, but I took it out, and now I'm cleaning up my figures and all that to put up here. Oh shit, wait, oh, I thought it was gonna fall, but this little thing, it's because this guy is like not really how do you call it, I don't know if do all Funko Pops not stand, or is it just because his feet are weird? But this one just falls. I took it out of the box. Oh my god, bro. Like that, whatever. But I'm gonna put my figures right there, and then I wanna put my brats on this side. I have 2 more shelves I'm gonna put up, but basically I'm embarrassed to show you. This is what we have right now. It's such a mess. I'm gonna show you when it's all clean. So this is just a mess because that's where I put my water, my protein shake, my switch, my candle, my tripod, my perfumes. So I want to like organize all of that, and then it's gonna look way better. Perfect. This is so gross. All those black stains are from freaking hair dye. Cause I used to have a mirror here, so I would like sit here and dye my hair. So, oh, it's just disgusting. Okay, this is what I have so far. I feel like this is a funny gap, the UFO thing, and then the brats. I have these, and then I have these. I already showed you these, but yeah, I'll show you once I vacuum and organize. Oh my god, I'm freaking tired. I was unboxing all the freaking brats, and they have like heck of tape and everything on the back of them, so I had to like undo all that, and then now I have to clean that. Oh, I forgot I have my protein shake. I need to drink that. I still haven't opened it, so I'm gonna drink that right now. But I'm gonna have to stop soon because I have to go to work in like, well, I don't have to go, but I have to start getting ready for work in like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna stop. I'm freaking tired. I've been doing this for like 3-4 hours, like just trying to organize everything, and I had to take out the big ass dresser on my own. Oh my gosh, I should have recorded that. It was such a struggle. I put it on like a plastic lid from a bin so that I can push it, but the bin was not flat, so it was a mess. But okay, that's my progress for now. Still nothing with that, but I'll show you later. Guys, I reorganized my room finally. Ignore the chair. I painted it with spray paint, so it did not really work, but it was on there for a while. See, the back is fine. But my vanity used to be right here, and now it's right here. So you walk in, here's my vanity, here's my notebook, jewelry box, my switch, teddy bear, my lamp, my makeup, my sunscreen, my phone case. Dude, I got this on Shein. I thought it would be cute, like the 2000s. You know, like mid 2000s, how they had like big phone cases like this. But this one's huge, look. So, I don't know. But I have a picture of my dog. I have a picture of my 2 dogs. That's the one that passed away. And then Honey was right there. I don't know if you can see it. I think the reflection. And then I have my perfumes. I have these little figures up here. Trunks, Psyduck, the Monchichi, Zane, Trunks. Then I have Hello Kitty, a Minecraft pig, a Karobi, Shy Guy, Sunny Angels, a mini Shy Guy, a Kirby, my brats, and then the UFO. And then here's my bed. And this is some trash I'm throwing away right now. Sorry, I was reading that. And then I have my work bag. I can show you what's in here. I have this book that I'm reading. And then I have like some highlighters, pencil. Oh, it's so messy. My little lip gloss bag, hand cream, earphones, lip gloss. This is just the bag I take to work because I'm always outside, so it's kind of like an ugly bag. And then I went to Target today. I bought hair oil, and then I bought a setting spray mist. My coworker recommended it to me, so let's see if it works. And then I got hyaluronic acid because I have dry skin, and this really helps keep it hydrated. And this is my purse. It's a vintage Coach purse. I don't know if you can see the C's. And then my little keychain. But oh yeah, and then this is a, hold on, this is a hair product I like. I'm trying to like show you, but it's just like a, oh shoot, it almost fell. It's just like a thing I put in my hair after I shower, and it really keeps it hydrated and frizz free and smells so good. Literally smells like a vanilla shake. But yeah, and this is my heat protectant, so I'm gonna put these away right now. I just wanted to show you my room because I changed it up a bit. You guys want to watch me do my skincare? Okay. Let me fix my shirt. On my back. Okay. So I washed my face, took off my makeup, and I put toner. And now, oh wait, let me grab something. And now I'm gonna do hyaluronic acid serum, this new one. It's the brand Good Molecules, which I only tried their retinol, which I have. What the heck? Okay. So since my skin is dry, I use this, and it really keeps it hydrated. I put the toner first because I think with hyaluronic acid, if you put toner, your face basically needs to be hydrated for this to work. So yeah. Oh my god, I suck at freaking explaining this shit. And then my forehead. Today was a good day. I had work. It went by pretty quick, and then after work I came home and I ate pasta, and then I went to Target to go get these things I needed, and I went to TJ Maxx, and I saw my friend working, and I said hi to her and talked to her for a bit. And then we're going, oh yeah, I think I said this on Friday, we're going to an orchestra thingy, and then Saturday we're going to a wedding. Oh shoot, I actually forgot about that. Saturday we're going to a wedding. I'm going to her like cousin's wedding, and I'm kind of nervous. But at the same time I don't care because I don't know anyone. What else do I do? Let me do, you know what, I need to have a face spray. Let me get a face, oh, I have one right here. The rose water spray. And then some lotion. Oh, I didn't show you the lotion I used. 1 second. The face spray I used was this rose water, and then the lotion I use is this one. It's like a snail cream that I love because it's very hydrating. And when I tell you I have dry skin, okay, my face isn't like dry, but it gets dry, so I need to use a lot of moisturizing. And like on TikTok, have you seen like the slugging? I need to do that so that I wake up and my face is like fine and plump, because if I just wash my face and don't do anything, it's so dry, it's irritating. And then I like to finish my skincare with this rosehip oil mask. It's like an overnight sleep mask, and it just kind of seals everything. I feel like I'm doing a Vogue go to skincare routine, go to sleep with me. So I take some of that, the mask, and then just go like that, and put it on my forehead. Oh shit, I kind of got a lot. Like that. And then I should be good. There we go. I'm gonna get my PC stuff. Okay, so the first part of this video I recorded like last week. And then I cleaned up my whole room and I showed you it. But an update is I'm gonna get my PC stuff on Black Friday or before. So I should start that soon. So I'm excited about that. But okay, hold on. Freaking nice. Ah, I got my eyes. Okay. And then my headband. Oh yeah, and then sometimes I do like a lip repair, this, like a lip balm. I lost the word. And then I gotta say with that, and my hair. Okay. Oh, should I like let it dry? I feel like my hair's sticking to this side. I was gonna do something else, but I finished. I'm gonna pin my hair. That's a bag of stuff I'm gonna donate. I'm gonna do my hair oil. I'm scared. I've never tried this one. I don't want it to be too oily, so I'm gonna do a little bit. But I'm gonna try this one because I've seen good things about it. Okay. Ooh, it smells really good. Let's do like let it warm up. Ooh. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you guys. I want to dye my hair. I want to. I don't know if I'm going to, but I want to do like the underneath of it, under here, like a really dark blue. I'll show you a picture. But yeah, so sorry I didn't show you me going to work. It's because, like I said, I recorded that like a week ago. But I need to record myself on here like ready and feeling cute, because oh no, oh, it smells so good. It smells like a cookie. It's this one. I think I already showed you, but it's coconut drenched dry damaged strands with the scent of Maui. This ultra rich repairing, bro, it's so hard to read this shit. What, where did it go? Discover silky soft, okay, whatever. But my hair's sticking on my face. Let's look at my hair. Let's look at the results. Wow. Look at my calendar. Okay. I'm gonna see if I add more to this vlog. If not, honestly, I don't think I am. I'm probably just gonna post this and say good night, and I don't want to make false promises. I suck. My friend and I have this like inside joke where like, you know, like, never mind. Okay, but I might just post this. I'm gonna just post this tomorrow so I can have something. Wait, I actually really like this oil, so I can have something, and then I'll be consistent now that my room's clean. I can do like outfit videos. Oh, I can do like Shein haul outfit videos. Okay, sorry, I was practicing. But yeah, okay, thank you for watching. Good night, and I hope you have a good day. Comment what you did today, or if you drank something that's not water, tell me what it was, because I love drinks. I love like iced coffee, horchata, teas. I don't know, I love drinks, so share with me your favorite drink or something. Okay, I'm gonna throw away this garbage, and oh my freaking, my straw fell. But yeah, okay.